Rolls Royce.
It's a coupe, it's a Rolls Royce Legendary with a study. Tell me more about this. Well, what did you see in it? Why did you want it for yourself?
Before I bought this, nag-start ako dun naman sa mga ibang sports cars. Pero as you grow older, you want to have some comfort and some sophistication. So before, medyo, we grew up in the streets, hip-hop tayo, so medyo nandun tayo sa mga medyo supercar. But nung medyo nagiging mature tayo, we wanted a classier, luxurious sports car na
Sporty, still sporty.
still sporty kasi Rolls Royce has 4 doors. But this particular car has only 2 doors.
They call it a coupe, no? Or a coupe, as they say. Ito yung talagang
Yes.
personal car.
Actually, this is my personal favorite.
Hindi yung chauffeur-driven, no?
Hindi.
The kind of car you want to drive
Yes,
yourself.
usually kasi when you have a Rolls Royce, there's a driver and you ride and go. Pero ito po, ikaw mismo yung mag-drive.
Look at these doors, ladies and gentlemen. They open the other way.
It's
That's
called
the Rolls Royce way.
It's called the suicide door.
Suicide door.
Suicide doors. So,
Because you're unprotected, kaya suicide door.
di ba? Wala mga kalapis kayo dito. So, this is one of my favorite cars. But now, yun, swerte na makakabili nito at makakuha nito dahil hindi ko ito masyadong nagamit actually.
Which is good for the buyer because he's getting a car that's almost brand new. A car owned by Sam herself.
Yes.
Okay, Sam, let's move on to the next car. Yeah, actually, this is one of my favorites. Even the color you chose, Lamborghini Aventador S. By the way, the Rolls Royce, if I'm not mistaken, the acquisition price is something like 40 million pesos, right? 40 million pesos for the Rolls Royce. And lucky buyer, whoever gets it.
Yes, super fresh, hindi ko nagamit. So, thank you so much doon sa binibili niya.
Okay, ito naman Sam. Once you buy this, you know that
Oo nga,
it's the Aventador Super Veloce, which is like the even sportier version.
this is one of my favorite. Kung hindi yung favorite car ko kasi nakapangalan ko sa akin to. Oo, kasi this is a
SB.
SB. So, when this came out, sobrang pangarap ko to. Ay, sorry. Talaga hindi ginagamit. So, gusto ko dito, syempre, vertical doors din. So, this is my favorite. This is my favorite colorway. When I got this, sobrang pangarap ko lang. So, me and my partner got one each. But now, hindi na namin nagagamit. But this is, at that time, was the king of the road. V12 engine. The last, I think, of the naturally aspirated na
The newly released Lamborghini, which is the Vuelto. The Vuelto is actually hybrid.
Hybrid na. So, this is the last one.
So, very
Collector's
collector's
item ka, tama. This is a collector's item.
Super collector's item, swerte yung bibili.
Swerte rin kasi hindi ko rin masyadong nagamit to.
Pero touch mo, so hindi ka tayo pawin.
Oo. So, yeah. Very fresh.
Okay, let's move on to the next car. By the way, 45 million pesos, more or less the acquisition price of a Lamborghini Aventador.
Yes, until before mga 48 to 50 million.
Okay. So, around 40.
Swerte na makakabili kasi yung mas mura na siya. Para lang ibenta.
Appreciate it.
Yung iba nag-appreciate ito pala yung item na.
So let's go over here to the left side, our left side, or right side. This is a Bentley Bentayga.
Yes.
Yung Bentley, yung rival car maker in England to Rolls Royce, just as legendary, just as historic. Ito yung mga royals of the United Kingdom, of Great Britain. And you have the SUV version, the Bentayga. I think ito parang medyo Rolls Royce frame, na? Something more comfortable, something more mature. What attracted you to this car?
But the story of this car actually, Papa ko yung gusto niya. So when we went to London, nakita niya, sabi niya gusto niya to. So, yung tatay ko po, sabi niya na, bili tayo nun. So, sayang lang, hindi niya nakapuntan. Kasi yung in-order namin yan, kasakit siya, wala. But I think,
But this car is sentimental value.
yes, it's sentimental. Siyempre, nahirapan din ako gamitin eh. But I think, mas matutuwa yung tatay ko na Kasi siya nagturo sa akin na magbigay. Kahit wala na kami, yung last money namin, tinutulong namin.
So this is like a tribute card.
Sa tingin ko, he's the original SB, Sam Versosa Senior.
He's listening up there. It's like yung legacy niya is like giving it out to the patients.
Sa tingin ko kasi nag-dialysis din siya before he died. So I think, pag alam niya mapupunta to, yung gusto niyang konsistahan na mapunta doon sa mga dialysis patients, tingin ko magiging proud siya sa taas. Mas natutuwa talaga siya.
Very meaningful car, and again, if not mistaken, the acquisition cost of a car like this would be 22 million pesos.
Actually, this wasn't used even.
As good as new.
Like good as new.
This was really meant for him, so he hardly even used it, just it's a movie around.
And I think mas marami makikinabang kung mabenta siya at makapagawa ng sa mga diagnostics.
As they say in the Philippines, fresh na fresh. No? And
Virgin na virgin.
how much is it again? 22 million pesos. Okay, let's go to another, kumbaga, itawag na fan favorite ng mga Ferrari fans. And I know there are many Ferrari fans here who doesn't want a Ferrari. Yan ang dream talaga, no? Kasi when you're young and growing up, parang Ferrari yung iniisip mo, no? And this one, by the way, this is a Spider, no?
It's a convertible Spider. You call it a Spider but convertible. So this is a 458.
Let's track the roof with it. Let's show everyone how it works. This is the Ferrari 458. It's one of Ferrari's most popular models. But this particular model size is hard to get because it's the open top version.
And also, this is one of the last naturally aspirated Ferraris.
Because as you know, Ferrari is moving into electric territory. So
yung mga purists, they want these cars.
Like the Lamborghini decided last in its time for Ferrari. So what Sam is going to do is going to demonstrate the retractable roof of the Spider. You know, when you drive a Ferrari, you want to feel the wind in your hair. And you want to hear the sound of the engine. And what better way to do that than by retracting the roof? No pressure, Sam.
Okay. I forgot how it. Ayun na.
Only needs one thing, hindi natin ginagamit, which is good. Good news for those who want to buy it. There you go. Okay, mabilis lang to. Ferrari does it in under 10 seconds.
Wow. Hindi ko na lang ulit na.
Parang busy kaya Sam. Parang you've been so busy the past years.
Super.
You have little time to enjoy your cars, your toys. So it's a good decision to actually race cars instead. Okay, so this is the Ferrari Spider, and I think around 18 to 20 million pesos would be the showroom price for a car like this.